Welcome! Today I am with the OPPO Pad Air and I'm going to show you the best features, tips and tricks for your camera. Okay, so let's start from the photo mode, and right here we can set up brightness level manually. You can just click on the screen once and then move the sun icon up and down to decrease or increase brightness level. You can also do this manually by tapping on the screen once. Let's set this brightness and then to adjust, automatically tap on the screen. Next, we can also enable camera delay between 3 or 10 seconds. When we set it up and then click on the shutter, you will find countdown on the screen, and after this, the photo will be taken. Next, we can also add filters. They are located on the left side, and as you can see, they change color and the temperature on the photo. To get back original look, you have to pick the first option, original. Next, we can also go to the settings, where we can find other useful options. And first, we can enable, for example, the grid lines. As you can see right now, they appear on the screen and they help us to take better composition on the photos. Next, we can also enable camera leveler. As you can see, that's how it works. When you swipe down, we can go for the shading methods, and we can use two options. The first one, tap to capture, and show palm of the hand for the selfie cameras. So the first option, tap to capture, works like that, but you can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. So basically, you don't have to use this shutter button that is located right here. You can just click on the screen. It's useful because it's also automatically catch focus and change brightness level. And the second option is linked to the front camera, and when you show the palm of your hand, after 3 seconds the photo will be taken. Let's go back for the settings one more time. There is other useful options. For example, you can switch function of the volume buttons. They are located on the right side, and currently they are set up for the shutter, but you can also switch for the zoom. So take a look how great it works. Right now, when you click volume up or volume down, basically click and hold, you are going to zoom in or zoom out with the volume down button by clicking and holding each button. You can also zoom in and zoom out by pinching screen with your two fingers and by holding this preset, and you can unlock this switcher and additional presets like 2x, 5x and also 10x. When you click and hold your shutter, you will take series of the photo. When you open your gallery, you have to click on the right upper corner and you will find all photos that you take in each series. And if you want to save any of them, you can just select by tapping with your finger, tapping on the right upper corner marker, and you can just keep the two selected photos and remove the rest of them, and they will be saved in the gallery right now. When you go to the video mode, you can, for example, change the resolution from HD to the Full HD, and also we can add filters while recording video. Take a look. Okay, and that's all for this video. That's all tips and tricks for the camera on the OPPO Pad Air. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.